In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watched videos from your YouTube Watch Later playlist. If your Watch Later list has gotten crowded with things you've already viewed, there's a simple built-in tool to tidy it up in seconds. Here's how to do it clearly and safely, without losing anything you still want to watch. Start by opening your web browser and heading to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account that holds your Watch Later playlist. If you see your profile icon in the top right, you're good to go. If not, sign in so YouTube can access your playlists. Next, open your Watch Later playlist. The easiest way is to click Library on the left sidebar. You'll find Watch Later listed there. If the sidebar is hidden, click the three horizontal lines at the top left to expand the menu, then choose Watch Later from the list. This takes you to the full playlist view, showing everything you've saved. At the top of this page, look for the Watch Later playlist title. To the right of that title, you'll see a small menu icon with three vertical dots. That's the options menu for this playlist. Click it to open the available actions. From the menu that appears, select Remove Watched Videos. YouTube will automatically scan your Watch Later list and remove every video the system considers watched. This doesn't delete the videos from YouTube, your subscriptions, or your viewing history. It simply cleans your Watch Later playlist by clearing items you've already finished. Anything you haven't watched yet stays right where it is. A quick tip for understanding what counts as watched. YouTube generally marks a video as watched when you've completed it. If you only started a video and didn't finish, it might remain in the list. So if you notice something didn't disappear, it likely wasn't marked as fully watched by YouTube. Also, videos that were removed by their creators or made private may behave differently, but the Remove Watched Videos tool focuses on items YouTube recognizes as completed. Keep in mind that this action is meant for bulk cleanup and isn't easily undone. If a video is removed because it was marked watched, you'd need to add it back manually if you want it in Watch Later again. For best results, refresh the page after the cleanup to see your leaner, up-to-date playlist. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've cleared out the clutter and kept only the videos you still want to watch. Enjoy your streamlined Watch Later, and happy viewing!